South Africa, there is no other choice. We have. And we can like it or not, but we better defend the GNU with everything we have, because the alternative is too worse to contemplate in this country. So there it is. I and all of the sane-minded, moderate people, die nugter mense in hierdie land wat oor is, we better back the DA, we better back the GNU partners, like it or not, and we must do it to the best of our capability. And that's where I stand at the moment. Are they making mistakes? Yes. Do they not sometimes agree? Yes. But are they fighting to keep it together? Who's there? Absolutely they are. And we better pray that they succeed as long as what we can.